At half of the press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan, wagwan. I'm back again with another video. Well, may have some bad news, my people. The body of a male doctor was found in the yard of a flat on the University Hospital of the West Indies compound this morning. So, I'm going to listen. I want to listen keenly, my people, because really and truly, I just don't understand this.
Beside the ring road here at the University Hospital of the West Indies, where members of the St. Anju Central Police Division as well as police scene of crime are processing the scene where the body of a male doctor was found this morning by hospital staff at the back of a flat just beside the ring road. The body was found lying face down. There has been no official confirmation on the cause of death. Hospital staff have also been very tight-lipped about the situation. Now, we just received a release from the University Hospital of the West Indies saying that the UHWI has acknowledged the passing of a doctor affiliated with the institution. The hospital says, we extend our deepest condolences to the family, loved ones, and colleagues affected by this loss. At this time, we can only confirm the passing of the doctor, and we wish to emphasize that the matter is under investigation. Out of respect for the privacy of the deceased's family and friends, we are not at liberty to discuss any further details publicly. So again, currently, police scene of crime as well as members of the St. Anju Central Police Division are currently on the ring road at the University Hospital of the West Indies, processing the scene where the body of a male doctor was discovered face down behind the flat this morning. So I'm standing just...
So my wisdom warriors, what is really happening? What is really going on? So the doctor where they find dead upon the compound of the University Hospital, the doctor not have a name. That me would like to know. The doctor don't have a name. That me want to know. And why is the hospital so tight-lipped? Why the nurses and doctors so tight-lipped? What is going on? Nobody not talk. What a coincidence, eh? My wisdom warriors, between me and Uno, what a coincidence. Soon as the doctor, them and medical consultant start a protest and they on strike, we just hear say doctor found dead. We can't hear nothing. Nobody not talk. Normally when somebody dead, they always hear them say something. Everybody quiet like a lamb. Everybody quiet like a lamb. What is going on? I don't know, so I can't really say much about this, The only thing I can say, what a coincidence. How as doctors and medical consultant that make decision, start protests, then this happen. My wisdom warriors, I don't know if you're not thinking what I'm thinking. I do not know. But we just have to wait for more information because they not tell we nothing. They not tell we nothing. They don't want we to start talk or whatever. That, you know what? It don't sound good, Listening to this man speaking just now, it don't sound good and it don't look good. Yeah, because from the police, them are investigate it. It appears to me like something definitely go wrong. My wisdom warriors. Mighty God of Daniel. But me wait, to see what is really going on with this. And I just want to say rest in peace. And my condolence goes out to the family. Classes at Oracabessa Primary School in St. Mary have been suspended today following a major fire last night. 3 board constructed classrooms, which were separate from the main concrete building, were destroyed, resulting in an estimated $5 million damage. My wisdom warriors, take a look at this. My wisdom warriors, on the see where I go on over St. Mary. Mighty God, a pure fire go on about the place. Pure fire from what there. Boy, it is really sad. It is really sad. The primary school on fire. It is really sad. I wonder what caused it. Anyway, we are go straight over to Damion Crawford right now because he released a statement. Hear this. PNP calls for swift action following dissolution of St. James High School Board. Kingston, Jamaica, February 27, 2025. This statement that I'm going to read now released to them people, all right? So the People's National Party, PNP, acknowledges the dissolution of the board of St. James High School, a necessary step given the prolonged impasse and concerns raised by staff and school leader. However, we stress the urgency of appointing an interim board to ensure stability and effective governance at the institution. This situation highlights the need for greater oversight in school board management. The previous tensions were exacerbated by the Ministry of Education failure to intervene early with mediation, allowing the issue to escalate unnecessarily. Moving forward, the ministry must take proactive steps to prevent similar conflicts in the future. We are equally disturbed by the commentary aired by Nationwide 90 FM, which irresponsibly casts aspersions on the character of the principal without any substantial basis beyond hearsay. Of particular concern is that the assertion that the principal's wife, as the PTA representative to the board, present a conflict of interest. Let me stick a pin now. Let me stick a pin. Come really and truly, I don't understand Nationwide. Everything them inner. Every time Nationwide come out and them a try to change the narrative. I want to Nationwide. Want to Uno. Seriously, Uno too much now. Uno too much. Uno don't have no substantial evidence. None whatsoever Uno no have. But yet Uno come out a chat off Uno mouth about the principal. You see all Uno shit up. Uno shit in a plate. Uno need to come down now, man. Uno need to come down now. Seriously. Mighty God of Daniel. What is wrong with Nationwide? How what do Uno so? Eh? Boy, Me just not understand this. Nationwide, why Uno no come out and talk about Christopher McCurdy? Christopher McCurdy, he's a JLP blogger. Chopper John from the chopping block. Why Uno no talk about that? Why Uno no talk about that? Uno out here, I wanna talk about how the principal wife is this and representative and black. Uno no for chat nothing. Uno dirty labor right, uno no for chat nothing. Because Juliet Owens cock up in a House of Parliament. And she is the House Speaker. And she is the wife of the Prime Minister. So uno for shut uno nasty stinking mouth. A who uno man, uno smaddy? Myself uno smaddy. Hey, my wisdom warriors, let me continue read this here, man. Because I see them people here, man. It come like them not have no sense. It come like they not have no sense. Then come out every day try to make Anju Wallace look good. Anju Wallace is a corrupted government. Anju Wallace is a corrupted government, a corrupted man, thief charity money. And them there's something I don't know if you come and talk about. My blouse and skirt. I can't believe Uno. Uno want to paint a bad picture upon the principal. Nationwide, let me ask you a question. How Uno fi come out and paint a bad picture upon the principal when all the students them love the principal and the teacher then love the principal too? That makes sense to Uno? Like really? Uno listen to Uno self when Uno come out and paint a bad picture? His students them love the principal of the school. So when Uno come out because the chairman is a JLP blogger on TikTok, you see the whole of Uno dark shit, you know? Uno dark shit. My wisdom warriors, the position is inconsistent with the same media house prior defense of the Honorable Juliet Owens' appointment as Speaker of the House while being the wife of the Prime Minister. Given this apparent contradiction, we call upon Nationwide 90 FM to issue a formal apology to the principal, his wife, and the leadership of St. James High School for these unfounded claims. To prevent similar conflicts in the future, a PNP-led administration will implement the following measures. Establish a pool of trained board members and chairpersons. Wanna hear that there? Wanna hear that there, my wisdom warriors? Wanna hear what Damion Crawford say? Damion Crawford say, to prevent similar conflicts in the future, a PNP-led administration will implement the following measures. Establish a pool of trained board members and chairpersons. Through the Department of Volunteerism, we will create a structured database of qualified individuals to serve as board members and chairpersons, ensuring schools have access to competent leadership. That for sure you say, Chopper John from the chopping block no have no qualification. So how this rotted old man, a chairman? Me tell you say a friend thing. Tell you for a long time a friend thing. So when Nationwide for come out and talk, them not talking. Nationwide only need to come out and talk about Chopper John from the chopping block is an activist for the Jamaica Labour Party, and him a project manager over Cornwall Regional Hospital. And them something they want to talk about. Them something they want to talk about. Una hypocrite. Una hypocrite Nationwide. Seriously, man. Number 2, develop a system for mediation. We will implement a structured mediation framework within the education system, allowing principals and board members to request mediation when disputes arise, fostering constructive dialogue and resolution. Number 3, adjust the board selection timeline. The deadline for school board appointments will be moved up to March 31st each year, providing ample time for thorough vetting and review of recommendations. Number 4, we will consider a budget for board travel and attendance to ensure that qualified individuals can participate in board governance. We will explore the feasibility of a budget allocation to support board members' travel and attendance at meetings. Number 5, implement annual 360 reviews. At the end of each academic year, every board member will be required to conduct a 360-degree performance review of their peers to ensure accountability, transparency, and effective governance. But my wisdom warriors, all these things should are in place already. So what is this so-called education ministers doing? Wasting time. Hey, you know, say, more than really like to know if you don't really go university. You don't have qualification? You don't have experience for them something here? Favor Williams, Maphead. You don't have qualification for these things? What you not do? What you not do? All these things what Damion Crawford explain, that should be in place already. What is really going on? The PNP remains committed to ensuring stability in the education system and will continue advocating for policies that uphold fairness, professionalism, and the best interests of Jamaica students and educators. We urge the Ministry of Education to take immediate steps to appoint an interim board chairman for St. James High School to restore confidence and promote a harmonious working relationship among all stakeholders. My wisdom warriors, so I want to hear it from Senator Damion Crawford, spokesperson on education. All right? And if you don't want to get in contact with him, you can do so. 876-408-3160. You understand? But on a serious level, mighty God of Daniel, on a serious level, what is going on? What is really going on? And Nationwide just open at everything. You just open at everything. It is alleged that you owe $1 billion and it is alleged. And that's why you just make Anju Oneness look good. You need to come down, you know. Because you don't think about Jamaican people. You need to come down now. Anyway, my wisdom warriors, I want to take in a little clippings here because apparently Anju Oneness him going at the PNP constituency and the people, them never happy about it at all. PNP not happy about it at all. take in this?
Country. People. Thief don't give a room. We don't want no thief to run the country. We don't want no thief to run the country.
Anju, all tired and bright.
No, we don't want no thief, man.
Great thief coming out of this
Yeah, no, man.
No, sir.
No, man.
Power!
We can't have people. We don't accept to run the country.
This is real That's where the real power. This can't real. No, sir. Number one. This can't.
Go back where you come from. We say you no good. Go back where you come from. We say you no good. Go back where you come from. We say you no good.
No, sir.
Go back where you come from.
Anju, all tired. Power!
Country. People. Thief don't give a room. We don't want no thief to run the country. We don't want no thief to run the country.
Anju, all tired and bright.
No, we don't want no thief, man.
Great thief coming out of this
man. Yeah, no, man.
No, sir.
No, man.
Power!
We can't.
I saw Anju Wellness little bit of my case. When I come in a PNP constituency for, I saw him little bit of my case. Then if you run him all water, then should and dash pan him, make him go. Make Anju Wellness go. When you see Anju Wellness a come, when you run him, make him move him blouse and skirt and go. I can go and like saying care about Jamaican people. After I try to take people them land under style, boy, I go build them house because every man fi live in a big house. That time of the people them land you have a eye pan. You think so we are fool? The people them are not fool. Me say sweet, me I say. Hey, me love it, you know. PNP massive. Me want to know big up on a nice clean self. Straight. My wisdom warriors, wanna tell me what you think, wanna tell me how you feel about this. Put on a honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Big up on a nice clean self. One love.